This is a 2011 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, an electronic throttle, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 34,000 miles. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.